If you don't like black box models but want creative outputs, try a model that compresses and imagines. Meet the VAE. It's part compressor, part probabilistic artist. Think of a VAE as a two-part workshop and encoder that packs a photo into a compact recipe, and a decoder that cooks the photo back from that recipe. But here's the twist. The recipe isn't a single list, it's a distribution, a mean of variance. The model samples from that distribution, so each decode can be a slightly different dish. Training balances two goals: make reconstructions faithful, keep the recipe box neat by nudging distributions towards simple Gaussians. That's your reconstruction loss KL divergence penalty. The result? A smooth latent space, where nearby points create similar images perfect for generating new samples, filling missing data, squeezing dimensions for visualization. VAEs shine when you want controlled, probabilistic generation and useful latent representations. Latent collapse, limited diversity, tricky optimization. Variants like conditional VAEs, VAE-GAN hybrids help, depending on your appetite. Bottom line, VAEs learn to compress, imagine, sample. A clever combo of auto-encoding and variational inference that turns data into a playground of possibilities.